In today's video, we are going to talk about copy trading on Bybit. How you can copy trades on Bybit. On Bybit right now, you can actually copy someone who is a pro in trading. So you don't need to trade actually. You just need to look for someone out there. You copy their trades, and when they make money, you make money. So today, I'm going to share with you how you can go about copy trading on Bybit. If say you are new on this platform, I create content that will help you make money investing in cryptocurrency. If say such content interests you, you want to go right now and smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. Having said that, let's dive right away into what I got for you today. Copy trading. This is the Bybit interface when you first come in here. For you to access the copy trading platform, what you need to do is go to the menu section, go to tools, and you're going to see copy trading. Click on it. It's going to give you access to all the top master traders out there. You can as well look at everyone out here who is a trader, but I recommend you go to those who Bybit recommend as top traders, and you can also scroll downward. You're gonna see traders with the highest profit for followers. So this is awesome. You have all every details here that you need to copy someone's trade out there on Bybit. Now you can see, for example, top traders by Rio. This guy have made 100% so far ever since. So if you say you copy this guy, you should have made as 100% as well. So this is awesome. This guy have made 41%, 14%, 13%, and you can scroll down to see more of this: 41%, 46%, 19%. So guys, the idea here is, you copy the trade that these guys are trading, or the coins that they are trading, and when they make profit, you also make profit with it. And with them, let's say for example, if say I want to copy these guys, I just have to click on view his platform. I want to see, okay, this is who he is. The stability index is 3.5. That's awesome. That's good. Trading days, 17 days. Followers, he has up to 254 followers. That's awesome. And the profit sharing is 10%. So he's gonna share with you 10% of that. And you can see here the metrics, everything. It looks so good. So for you to copy someone on Bybit, all you need to do is click on view more. Then you come here, click on available master traders that you want to copy, or you can also choose on the top, top real or stable win week. You can choose anything that you want to choose, depending on how they're going to be performing or how you think it's going to help you make more money. But I think top profit and top real is okay. You click confirm. You can select the country that you want to copy from. Let's say for example Afghanistan, Albania, or you can just leave it as it is. And also you can look at top traders by real, top traders with the highest profit for followers. You can look at also this lowest drawdown and top intraday. But I'm just going to click on these two, then confirm, and you're going to see the available ones. Then click on copy. You're going to take you to a page where you can copy this guy. So if say I want to copy this guy, then I'm going to click on copy. So this is how you go about copying traders on Bybit. So this is how you go about copy trading on Bybit. So guys, copy trading is an opportunity for you to actually make money just like that by copying someone else out there. If this content was helpful to you and you want me to keep creating more of such content to help you make money investing in cryptocurrency, then make sure you are subscribed to my platform, thumbs up, and share my content with someone else out there. Having said that, guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.